Hello everyone. Today we are going to discuss about the variable data type in R. So let's get started. Last time I told you about how to store a value in a variable. So let's remind me that how can we store a value in that variable. So there are five data type in R, that is logical, numeric, integers, complex, and characters. So how can we get the class? How can we say that this variable is from the integer class, or this variable can be the character one? We can say, if you want to know the class of the variable, just say class and the variable name. See, it gives you the numeric. It means A have the value of numeric class. Same as if we want to store something in C as S class of C, it gives you character. And as we try to get a logical value, that is A is greater than B, stored the value stored in D, and now class of D. See, it gives you logical. So there are a difference between numeric and logical. Numeric and integers. Here, numeric contains all kind of numbers, including decimals. But integers are explicit integers, which means they don't contain the decimal ones. For example, if you want to tell you about the numeric, so we can say class of B is numeric. If we want to change the value, we can say it's a decimal one. See, as you can see, B has the upgraded value 2.5, and now class of B is same, numeric. And if you want to save or store a value as integer, so you should store it as this. And now we can say class of E is integer. So there are some key points, so let's talk about that. Variables are logical name of for pieces of data. They are used to store data, and value can be changed. The unique name given to a variable is called identifier. Thank you.